In this video, I want to share with you how I made my last video and the reasons behind it. But before we dive in, I think I should get changed out of these cool clothes. What do you think, guys? Give me a few seconds, guys. I'm going to go 1, 2. Hi guys, J Roberts here, Geeky Dad. This is building my empire. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so then you get notified from future videos. What we're going to talk about in this channel, in this video, guys, is I've been getting asked a few times now why I've made the Mother's Day video. As you see, I'm sharing videos of how to make money online. I've got lots of different ones, but one of my latest videos was Mother's Day one. As you can see here, this was it. And what the reason behind it, guys, is I wanted to show that I do affiliate marketing, yeah, and one of the main companies you could do affiliate marketing for is Amazon. So what I've done, guys, I've made this video, and I'll quickly show little bits of it. And I've took pictures of different items from Amazon, and I've put them into like a video montage of them showing different items, and they're all for Mother's Day. They're all off Amazon. And then what I've done, I've put numbers there, and then in the description, guys, I have numbered them up so then people are there. So if people click on these links, it'll take you to Amazon for that certain link, for that certain product, a certain gift, yeah. So they click on it, and then if they were to buy it, I would earn a commission. But what's good about it as well is you get like a sticky cookie, and it lasts for 24 hours. So if they went on, if they click on that and then they get sticky cookie then. So then if they were to buy anything off Amazon, I will earn a commission. And then if they think, oh, I can't be bothered tonight, I'll do it in the morning, yeah. And then they log off, and then they come back on to Amazon. They go back on Amazon in the morning, and they buy something. I get the commission. So that's what's good about Amazon and sticky cookies. And this basically is affiliate marketing. I mean, there's lots of different ways you can do affiliate marketing. This is one of the ways, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, so I'll just show you quickly. Yeah, so it's showing different ones. You can put as many as you want in. You don't even have to have one. You can some products on Amazon have videos, so you could capture the video and play the video. What I've done on this, what I did wrong, sorry, is I should have had a bit of a description of what it is. Like, say for instance, numbers like the next one now, 17, licorice all sorts, yeah. I should have had like a description telling you what it is, and because I mean, it's not rocket science to know what things are, but some people might struggle, and it would have looked more professional. So next time I do one, or if you decide to do one, guys, is put a description. It'll make it look more professional. And if you can get some better pictures, that's better. This was just a quick video I made. I wanted to show, well, for two reasons, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted a new kind of video. I wanted to show you guys more about affiliate marketing. I know I promote ClickFunnels, but there's lots of other ways as well. And what I want to do, guys, is I don't want, even though start again, even though my number one focus is to promote ClickFunnels and my mentors, coaching and courses, I want to get what I call little J's out there. Yeah, so if I can, like things like this, if people are clicking on that, I'm potentially earning a commission from ClickFunnels from Amazon. Yeah, so it's like, so my number one, if I'm earning money off ClickFunnels, and then I've got loads of little projects going on, little J's, and I'm earning money, I'm getting multiple incomes there, you see guys. So it's a good idea to don't put all your eggs in one basket kind of thing, because if something to go wrong with ClickFunnels, or I get blocked or banned or whatever, that's going to stop my income from there. So if I've got lots of other different ways going on, I'm earning, and I start earning from them, it's like a little backup, a little it's yeah, it's a backup. It helps. It's, you know, nice little extra income, side income. So it's a good thing to note down, guys. Is get as many incomes as possible. So not only will it boost your earnings up, but just in case of like anything goes wrong with any of the others, or so yeah. So what you do then, guys, is you put the links in. I'll click on one of these links, yeah, and then you click on the link. You see, it takes you to that product, yeah. This is where you can read all about it, and if you decide you want to buy it, go ahead. And then if you decide, oh, I don't want that, it looks rubbish, you just search for something else, guys. So yeah, I decided to put a few things in here, well 18 altogether. This is like just a quick and simple video, guys, so have a go. You can think of lots of different ways. You can do Mother's Day, Father's Day, Easter, birthdays, gadgets. You could do makeup. You could do anything. Christmas. I can't wait for Christmas. When Christmas comes, you guarantee I'm gonna have one of these, guys. I love it. So that's about it, guys. Hope you got some value from it. Hope if you want any more videos like this, let me know, and I will maybe I'll do a video of me making it. If that's something you're interested in, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you've not already done so, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Yeah, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on videos like this, and check out any of the other videos. We've got my business review, I've got motivational playlists, we've got all sorts, guys. And also, don't forget, if you are interested in making money online and you want to know my number one, is click on here where it says free training, or if you go into any of my videos, it's not actually on this one, guys. If you go onto any of my other videos, guys, apart from this Mother's Day one, it will be there in the description. It'll say, well, we'll have a look now what it says. Let's just click on one. Yeah, it says my mentors free affiliate marketing training. Click here. So all you do, guys, is just click on the blue writing, and it'll take you to the training, guys, and sign up for that. Check it out. My mentor's really good. It's called Zach Crawford. He's teaching lots of people. He's earning me money, so he's very good, because if I can do it, guys, so can you. So please check it out, guys, and let me know if you do. Comment below if you do, because not only do you get a lot of bonuses off my mentor, you get bonuses off me too. So happy days, win-win. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Once again, hope you got some value from this. I hope I see you again. That being said, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, helping you create your empire.